Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Pre-Market Report sponsored by taxbuddy.com, a leading tax filing portal in India. Now, look at the US markets. As soon as the markets opened, it fell so drastically, and Dow was down more than 500 point at some point of time. What was the reason? Things are very simple. And regional banks started falling once again. Some regional banks have fallen 20-25%. And only yesterday or day before yesterday, most analysts said, after First Republic Bank taken over by JP Morgan Chase, so the regional banking crisis may be over. And I think I also mentioned in some pre-market report. But it looks like now the regional banking crisis is extending. And I do not know how many more banks, they can safeguard the investors. So if any bank goes collapse and if the depositors do not get money, then other investors who have deposited money in other regional banks will like to withdraw the money. That will create a systemic issue. That is a very, very big danger the US market is facing. And not only that, the Fed chairman also said um, this debt ceiling issue means every time they have to increase the debt ceiling, and for both opposition parties and ruling party will have to come together, agree for that, and if not, the government will not be able to run, will not be able to pay the money to the employees and contractors and so on. So earlier people thought the government can run until July, but now the Treasury Secretary says the government can run until May only. June itself there will be a problem. So usually May month is not a bullish month, it's a bearish month, and you see just one trading session and how many problems are coming. A debt ceiling issue is cropping up, regional bank issues are cropping up, of course Fed uncertainty is also there, and so on. US VIX shot up nearly 20% at the peak and settled about 10% higher. And crude oil has fallen 5%. It has come down to $75 for the Brent crude. And when the economy is facing problem, crude oil will keep falling. And then OPEC countries, or oil producing countries, they will decide to cut the output, then the price will go up. So this way, the crude will be making bigger moves on both the sides. So anyway, crude oil is down is actually good for India. So overall, the May month um, it started very well for India. I really don't know why there was such a big gap up, and not only that big gap up was sustained throughout the day yesterday, and probably because of FIA buying. So right now, Asian markets are mostly down. SGX Nifty is down by about 80 points. That's not a big deal compared to the 6 continuous days of up move. And we shot up nearly, Nifty shot up nearly 1,400 points from around 16,800 to 18,200. So some kind of consolidation, maybe 300, 400 point down tick so is required for consolidation. And what was surprising, Nifty future is trading at a significant premium to Nifty spot, but whereas Bank Nifty future is trading slightly discount or almost flat. And usually there will be about 100 to 150 point premium for Bank Nifty future, but this time that is missing, and that is missing. Sometimes when people are not expecting any big up move, the premiums may not be there. But usually, if the premiums are not there, it will not be there for Nifty also. But this time, what is different? The Nifty future premium is significantly higher, but there is no Bank Nifty future premium. So that is something surprising. In the ADR market, both HDFC Bank and ICICI Bank was down. However, Infosys ADR is up. But they are not leading indicators; they are lagging indicators. Usually, ADRs follow Indian markets, not the other way around. So, unless there is some big news between yesterday's market close and after that, so nothing to give any importance to those prices. So yesterday, everybody expected Bank Nifty to do well, but it was IT and Reliance which did well. So today, definitely, I think the sentiment is improving in IT stocks. And in fact, last month, the worst performer was Infosys. And yesterday, the best performer was Infosys. So, uh, so when other sectors are like finding some exhaustion in buying, IT stocks is likely to support the market. So therefore, the markets may not fall significantly, but however, nothing can be said about May month series. And then, maybe uh, today Fed event, tomorrow ECB, European Central Bank event, and then the next week uh, Karnataka state election. Karnataka state election will come on Saturday, but however, the exit poll results will be coming on 10th evening. So on 11th, we will be reacting to that. And then once that is over, then after that, the usual data, consumer price inflation data in US on 10th of May. So other things. So other than that, then after that, the markets are likely to stabilize. So overall, we were very much bearish when the global markets were very bullish. Now the global markets are turning bearish and we are turning bullish. So we always behave opposite. We have been behaving opposite for the last few months. So it'll be interesting to see the FIA flow today when the global sentiment has turned bearish. So let us see what happens today and whether the gap down is being bought into or not. So right now, I think market should be, not buy on dip, at least for today. Today is special because of the Fed event and other. So I will like to wait for one day. So I'll wait for tomorrow. So hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.